it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as it's a connect.
Today here we are with Genocide Boss, Crocodile himself, Masicka, featuring Fave with Fight For Us. So that one here is off him album, Generation of Kings. Bad album, sick album. So I think like him drop a couple of videos off it already, official videos. So this is just a next one. So that song yeah, well, all I sang them bad on the album, but that song yeah have an international vibe, have an international feel to it. So we're gonna jump in the one and see what going on the music video. We're not gonna really break down the lyrics because we don't know where much in the lyrics already. So let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! It's all about your love. All about your love. It's all about your love. Like all about your love. Really like for just, feeling fine for just. Spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life for you, young king, no pretender. Something to remember. She hunting for a spender. The world freeze when they enter. You're pretty like Dolly, can you please take the center? Wow, missing your dream mix.
Yo.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
The growth and to be a part of the many, the millions that's witnessing the growth in front of our eyes. I feel special to be here right now, dog. No joke. Masicka, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, bro. From current kick to this. From current kick to this.
It's all about your love.
Crazy growth, man.
All about your love.
Feel pretty to you.
It's all about your love. Like all about your love. Really like for just, feeling fine for just. Spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life for you, young king, no pretender. Something to remember. She hunting for a spender. The world freeze when they enter. You're pretty like Dolly, can you please take the center? Wow.
Man said the world freeze when you enter. You're pretty like Dolly. Could you please take the center? What I mean by this is any room she walk in, all if people are talk, them stop talk and start what she. Cause you know what? She had the center of attention. She had the center of attraction. She just have the appearance there where make you say, wow, this is a queen in front of me. Literally.
She hunting for a spender. The world freeze when they enter. You're pretty like Dolly, can you please take the center?
Yeah.
Missing your jewel, me Gucci lenser. What a skin tender, you look like my Benza.
The man compare her to him Benz. What a skin tender, you look like my Benz, yo. Whoa.
The world freeze when they enter. You're pretty like Dolly, can you please take the center?
Yeah.
Missing your jewel, me Gucci lenser. What a skin tender, you look like my Benza. She gon' surrender, I gon' caress you, best friend, yeah.
She go surrender to the king. She go surrender. Remember him don't tell you say young king from the start of the song, So she go surrender to the king. You don't know, you see him have her heart weak already, weak.
Wow, missing your jewel, me Gucci lenser. What a skin tender, you look like my Benza. She gon' surrender, I gon' caress you, best friend, yeah. The love in her extend, yeah. You me want, I know where them say.
And it's not just it's not a normal relationship. Them are best friend too. So that's one of the most successful relationship, as in last long, wanna share everything with each other, like best friend type of vibes, plus on our partner. Jeez.
Feel like love for the first 10 years. You me want, I know where them say. Feel like love for the first time. Me see your girl, me get the right vibe, right style, cute face with the bright smile. Really like for just, feeling fine for just. Spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life for you, really like for just, feel a fight for just. I'ma spend my life with you, life for us, life for us.
Oh, so the girl in the video we're walking in the dress, that wasn't Fave? Why am I think that so this is Fave. Alright, Fave, alright.
I'ma spend my life with you, life for us, life for us. Still let you know that I got you. Now I don't wanna snooze. I gotta show I choose you. I got flowers in my room, but they were not from you. So I set them on fire. Goddamn miraculous that you're running there before I got all choked out.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
I thought this was Fave.
It's all about your love.
Whoa.
All about your love. It's all about your love. Like all about your love. Really like for just, feel a fight for just. Spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life for you, young king, no pretender. Something to remember. She hunting for a spender. The world freeze when they enter. You're pretty like Dolly, can you please take the center? Wow. Missing your jewel, me Gucci lenser. What a skin tender, you look like my Benza. She gon' surrender, I gon' caress you. Best friend, yeah. The love in her extend, yeah. You me want, I know where them say. Feel like love for the first time. Me see your girl, me get the right vibe. Right style, cute face with a bright smile. Really like for just, feel a vibe for just. Spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life for you, really like for just, feel a vibe for just.
Here comes Fave.
I'ma spend my life with you, life for us, life for us.
Yeah, ready.
Still let you know that I got you. Now I don't wanna snooze. I gotta show I choose you. I got flowers in my room, but they were not from you. So I set them on fire. Goddamn miraculous that you're running there before I got all choked out. Here comes my night is shining. I'ma show me a girlie who's lucky. A kiss, no really. I need you a bit to heal me. No visa, I'm swimming. Watch 30 millimeters. No fear in me. When you say we should back up, I don't have anything else I'm doing. Oh baby, you know I'm ready when you say. Really like for just feel
Bad, I rest.
I know that I got you. Now I don't wanna snooze. I gotta show I choose you. I got flowers in my room, but they were not from you. So I set them on fire. Goddamn miraculous that you're running there before I got all choked out. Here comes my night is shining. I'ma show me a girlie who's lucky. A kiss, no really. I need you a bit to heal me. No visa, I'm swimming. Watch 30 millimeters. No fear in me. When you say we should back up, I don't have anything else I'm doing. Oh baby, you know I'm ready when you say. Really like for just, feel a vibe for just. Spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life for you. From the day and the picture, my light the view. You keep me calm, excite me too. You find your waist, the style that you. You love your girl, the vibe that you. Let's fly with girl, in the sky the girl. Sky so blue when the eye with you. It's all about your love with you.
Hold on, this is one I married them, but I can't remember his name. What his name? The Malian name.
It's all about your love. Really like for just, feel a vibe for just. Spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life for you.
Girl, I'm acting a man.
No pretender. Something to remember. She hunting for a spender.
I'm a drift. Pick up the skank of them and the dance of them. This drum. Yo. Yeah, big up the skank of them and the dance of them. Another one, yeah. Yo, Masicka. What can I say, Masicka, bro? Like, Masicka is Masicka, fam. Masicka raise the bar high every time him fall. Every time him drop something, him raise the bar high. Even though that one up on the album and me hear it already, it feel like the first me I hear it because I was surprised because obviously I never know who Fave was. I thought Fave was the girl who fouled in not the first shot. But Fave was a totally different person. We never see Fave until a Fave time for sing. Like, and she did her thing. She mashed up the verse, like no joke. And she had the same flow on the verse like when Masicka did have on Theme verse. You see me? So yeah, solid one again. Masicka, come on, this is Masicka, bro. This is Masicka we are talking about. So big up myself, Fave. First time hearing a song from you. Obviously, it was on Masicka's album, but the first time knowing of you since the album or from the album. But yeah, big up the production team behind the one. Yeah. Big up the skanker them. Big up all of the sexy hot girls them went in the video. But the dancer them and the magla them. Big up on themselves. Yeah, say it there now. So genocide fans, want to in the comment section and what I say. On the proud of the DJ. Eh? On the proud of the G. From current kick days. Eh? From who gets them coming go boss the cylinder days. Eh? From him and Shandy's in them a clash days. Eh? On the, oh come on. On have to be proud of the G. But anyway, I'm gonna leave the one I say. If you enjoy the one I want to see more, click on any one of them two videos for some more Masicka. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.